Resources: adding, editing and deleting. To add further resources to My Transport Planner after initial configuration, or to edit your resources, select Company on the menu bar and then Resources from the drop-down menu to access the Resources screen. A resource is a combination of driver and vehicle which is used for transporting your goods and services. A resource name can be any label that makes it easy for you to recognize. It is usual to use a vehicle registration number or even a driver's name. To add or import resources into the system, please see the video called Initial Configuration of Resources, which explains how to do this. The Resources screen provides a list of all the resources that you have entered into the system. To search resources, click on the down arrow at the top of the screen and you can then search resources by a number of different criteria. You can easily search by name, and as you type in the information, the options decrease in order to leave you with the ones you are looking for. You can search by depot to see all that are allocated to a specific depot, and by various other criteria. You can import more resources, and again, please see the Initial Configuration of Resources video which explains how to do this. To add a new resource manually, click on the Add button at the top right of the screen and you can then complete the fields to add a new resource. Each resource has a number of fields which are used to create rules within My Transport Planner that determine how the resource can be used while planning work. More information can be found in the Description of Resource Fields table in our user guide. It is on this screen where you assign your resource to a depot. My Transport Planner allows you to assign your resources, and this assignment tells My Transport Planner where the resource's journey starts and ends. So it is important that each resource is allocated to a depot. Once you have added your new resource, press Save and it will be added to your list of resources on the screen. To edit an existing resource, click on the three dots to the right of the resource and select Edit from the drop-down menu. Here you have access to all the fields, and from this screen you are able to edit your resource. Please note the selection at the top of the screen here to activate or deactivate a resource. It may be that, temporarily, you want to deactivate a resource. For example, when a vehicle is in for a service or a driver is unavailable. If you untick this box, then My Transport Planner ignores this resource during the planning process. Once you have finished editing your resource, click Save at the top right of the screen. The resource will be saved and will again appear on the list. To delete a resource, select the three dots to the right of the resource, select Delete from the main menu, and then you will be asked to confirm your deletion. Press Yes if you wish to proceed, or No if you want to keep the resource within the system.